Welcome. This is a very brief video with a workaround to address a bug that occurs when using Zoom within Canvas. That is that under certain circumstances when you make a Zoom recording, you can view it, but it's not available to the students. So if you have a Zoom recording, you can view it by going to your Zoom page. And here's over on the right are the cloud recordings. And the students should be able to access the recordings the same way, go doing exactly the same thing. And sometimes they can't. So when that happens, here's what you do. You go to the recording that you're interested in, and there's both a video and audio file. The video file is what I'm interested in. So I'm going to click Share. And that brings up a pop-up window, which has an actual URL for the video in it. And what you do is you copy this, and then that gives you on your clipboard this URL, which you can make available to the students in a variety of ways. For example, you could send them an email. But here's a better way to do it. What you should do is create a page on your website where you actually post these URLs. So I'll show you how to do that. You go to Pages, and this will bring up, depending how you've configured things, your home page. In any event, you can click on View All Pages to see a complete list of your pages. Maybe you don't have any, or you have a few. In any event, create a new page using the plus page button, and let's call it Course Videos. Now, this is going to give you a page on the website where you can put material. In particular, you can put links to the videos. So here's how you do that. You have this window where you can paste things. You want to paste a link in. So you use this link button. It says link to website URL, and you paste from the clipboard, you paste the URL there. Now there's one tricky point here, which is that what we copied has a bunch of stuff at the beginning in addition to the actual URL. So if you run the cursor back, you see from here to the right, HTTPS to the right, that's the URL. And then before that is all of this extra text, which you don't want. So what I recommend you do is you use the arrow button to go all the way back to the beginning and select all of the material at the beginning of this text and delete everything up to and including the https:/:. So everything up to that // and what should be left starts with umd.zoom. If you do that and you click Insert Link, what you'll get on the page is a link. And you might want to edit that to say something a little more reasonable. So I'm just going to call this course video, first course video, and click Save. And so now I have a page on my Canvas site with a link to the video, and the students can definitely access it this way. And if you click on the link, you'll get the video and you can play it right there. And it's worth pointing out that if you look up in the URL of this video, it's something at Zoom, which is because it's in the cloud. This is stored at Zoom. So this is a way to make the videos available to the students independent of whether they can access them by going to the Zoom page. Take a quick look and see how the students are going to access. They'll go to the Pages link and then View All Pages. And within All Pages is the course video page. And there's the link that they can click on. Now, if you've set up your course with actual pages, you've probably done something like this before. On the main page, for example, you can edit the main page and put in a link to this new page, which makes it a little bit easier for the students to find. So let's do that here. Let's see, after this other files thing, I'm going to just put in a link here. And the way you put in a link to a new page is you go over here to the right and scroll up, and it says links and pages and course videos. So you just click on that and it inserts a link to the course videos page. Now, if you save this, I've added a link to the course videos page on the course homepage. So now when the students go to the homepage, all they have to do is click on this link, and then they have access to the videos. Now, hopefully this bug will be fixed before too long, but since classes are starting very soon, in the meantime, this might be a workaround that would be helpful to you.